Welcome back, guys. In this episode we'll be picking up where we left off on the 80 series 6-wheel drive bull bar. So a very brief recap. We made this bull bar, the bottom half, got it all square, matching both ends. I did have this hoop system on it, but I did cut that off just to sort of finish this part, finish these ends and get everything very, because I did realise, which I kind of had a feeling that this would be a problem, is the front end was slightly out of square, just the front panel and things like that, because I did hit this corner slightly. No big deal, but it was enough just to move the whole front end over. So gave that a quick pull and we're sweet there. Everything has been squared up so we can carry on. So what I'm going to do right now is weld up all the seams. So this area, first of all, I'm going to do these here. So I'm going to weld up all these. These are the uprights on the bar. Right, so I've got them all welded up now. I'm going to give them a grind and then we'll start to do this one. Right, so what I've done is I've welded up these things, so these are all seamless now, and then I sanded them up the grinder. I'm still finishing off this one. I also welded this part all around here and then just finished that off the flappy disc also. And the same on this side. I just got to finish off the end, but the majority of it's looking quite good. So basically I just need to weld down here, and like finish all these areas off, but I'll do that shortly. Guys, I also welded that, and I welded like these and underneath and everything like that. Pretty much everything that wasn't folded, I've welded. So guys, the plan all along was to have this sitting slightly back from the original base. So this part here recessed back slightly because I wanted to keep this sort of line exposed, but I don't know. Once I've got it on and ground up, I don't like it. I kind of want this flush because this line, because it steps back, it doesn't really line up like it should. Or it just gives it illusion. So as much as I don't want to, I'm going to cut both of these off again and just re-weld it. Right guys, so I've got it all flush now, I got all my lines lining up. I'm not sure why I just didn't do it this way to start with. I kind of had something else in my head that I thought would look better. And basically now that's dead level, like this here lines up and the whole lot's square, so everything is square, all the lines line up, everything's flush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this around there. I think it's going to look better, but in case it doesn't, I've left this side the way it was. just in case I want to go back to that look, but I don't think I will. So my gas bottle is now empty for the welder, so unfortunately I can't do any more welding. I noticed it when I was going across here and sort of down here. I was starting to get holes in the weld, and I knew that it was running out of gas, and I checked it and it's got no gas. And it's 7 o'clock, so there's no way I can go buy gas for it now, because even the place to get gas from is closed. I'm going to make this for that side instead. So basically, I'm just going to cut the bends and take it together, because I can do that without gas. Well, I can't really, but I can for the meantime, and then weld it properly when I get gas. So that's the right side. This one that I just made up now. So that's the right side. This one is now the left side, which I've just made now. As you can see, the welds aren't very nice because I haven't used gas because I ran out. So I just tacked them in, and then once I get my gas tomorrow, I'll be able to just sand that off and weld them more properly. But doing so was enough to get this all right for this side. So now we've got this hoop made, we've got that hoop made, and we've got that center hoop, center bar cut. So all the bars all made up really, just needs to get pieced together. I do have a little bit more welding to do and some reinforcing inside the bar, but I think we're gonna go and put these lights in. I have been pondering on the idea of these lights for a while. I don't know if it was going to ruin the bar or if it was going to make it better, but I think we'll do it and make it a bit more complex, give it a bit more style. Do you guys want to see indicators and fog lights in the bar, or keep it how it is? This is how it looks now anyway, just a short video this week. I did go down and I got some gas, so now we're good for the next one.